Hello and welcome to Hogtied TV. Please subscribe, like my page, and thanks for stopping by. Today is Labor Day 2015. Just out for a ride here. Should be shouldn't see any more 90-degree days now. Maybe one or two, but I bet you they're pretty much almost over, pretty much done now. I'm just out for a short ride today. Test the equipment out, and it's been a few, been like a week or so, I think, since I posted a vlog, so probably a week or better. Well, today I just want to talk about my first big motorcycle trip, and I'm leaving in, let's see, 5 days from now. It'll be next Sunday, and you know, I feel that I'm ready for the trip. I feel fairly confident with my abilities, and I'm definitely excited. You know, it's pretty sad that I'm 42 years old and this is my first motorcycle trip, but you know, I don't know. It's probably something everybody always gets excited about. It's going on a big trip and seeing new things, and seeing new places, and going on the road, and I guess getting away from the repetitive roads and streets that a person finds themselves on around their home territory. So yeah, I guess, do you remember your first trip? I see I'm running into some rain here, but I'm not going to turn around. I'll just keep going. Hopefully the camera doesn't get too mucked up here with the rain. So yeah, I guess I asked, do you remember your first motorcycle trip? I think I'll always remember this one, and I hope there are plans to be many more. I'm a person that I've started to pack already and put my stuff together. I'm not one to, I guess, throw my bags in the night before. I could if I had to, but since this is my first real big trip, I guess I want to feel a little more comfortable and take a look at what I'm bringing with. I already had to pare down on some stuff, some clothes. That's one thing that I need to get used to, I guess, is packing on a motorcycle and not taking so much stuff with. I mean, I'll have, don't get me wrong, I'll have plenty of stuff with me, and basically it's going to be about a 1,500 mile trip. It'll go from Sunday, September 30th 13th, excuse me. It'll go from Sunday, September 13th, and I'll come back home Monday, September 21st. So that's quite a few days on the road. I'll be going through the Twin Cities. I'll be going through city traffic, but I do plan on not going through there during rush hour, and for the most part, when I get there, I'll probably not ride my bike as much. I'll have access to other vehicles, and I don't know if I'm 100% confident in going through city traffic at this point. There is that noise in my helmet, wind noise, and I haven't quite figured out where it is coming from. But anyways, hopefully that's not distracting you folks. So, I guess my trip will take me over to the North Shore, Lake Superior area, both on the Minnesota-Wisconsin side. And we end up at the Hayek Family Booyah the weekend of the 19th, 20th. I did put a Hayek Booyah preview kind of trailer on my YouTube channel. Please check that out. It's just a slideshow from past Booyahs. And what is a Booyah? Well, it's basically a big pot of stew that we make outside. We got probably a 15-gallon stainless steel stock pot, and we kind of add several kind of meats and all kind of vegetables and spices, and we let her cook. Pretty much started during the morning and go all day. I don't want to really talk about this too much. I think I want to have that as a moto vlog topic here when I head out on my trip. I'd like to kind of talk about what it means, and it's a big family get together, so it's pretty important to not only me but our family as well. And it's always a good time of year to get outside and to cook a big pot of stew like that. So I'm definitely taking the bike, and that was kind of my whole plan all along when I bought this bike in April, was to be able to make a motorcycle trip out of it. Right now it's pretty much in maybe the upper 60s, very low 70s. I don't even know if it's 70 right now, but if I get this kind of weather to ride in all the way down and back, well, I'll be a happy camper for sure. So that is my first trip and please make some comments on your first trip, and let's I don't know, we'll have you back here next week. I don't know how much riding I'm going to get in between now and then. I know I wanted to get my bike all cleaned up for the trip, so yeah. Well, thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to vlogging about this trip, and as I take the trip and kind of chronicling the various rides. I think a highlight or two, I think Highway 1 south of Ely, Minnesota down to the North Shore, I've been told that is a phenomenal bike road to take on a bike, so I will make sure that I get some vlogging road pics through that area as we make our way down to the North Shore. That should be Sunday, so I'm hoping to do that. Well, again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Bye-bye.